charge I'll pay. Which loved one is calling me? I did not hear you say. Both are deep within my heart, her mom and my Marie. It's so good to hear your voice from Memphis, Tennessee. Oh, you mean so much to me, more than you'll ever know. Surely you have not forgot how much I love you so. If you would remember, dear, and sometimes talk to me, maybe that would reunite our home in Tennessee. Promise not to grieve. My heart was torn apart as I look back at my Marie. And there the pieces still remain with you in Tennessee. I guess I should stop talking. After all, you placed the call. But any way that